Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Crucial SSD type and capacity so you pick the correct slot. This matters because NVMe uses PCIe lanes while SATA uses a different controller. Once confirmed, power down and ground yourself to avoid static. Remove the case panel and locate the drive bay or M2 slot. Slide the SSD into position, secure with the screw, and connect the SATA cable or press into the M2 standoff. Make sure power and data connections are firm before booting. Once the SSD is physically installed, boot into BIOS to confirm detection and set boot priority. This prevents delays and ensures you're installing to the right device. If migrating, run Crucial Storage Executive or a trusted cloning tool to copy your OS. This preserves apps and settings. After cloning, verify partition alignment, use 1MB alignment for optimal performance, and format into NTFS on Windows or apps on Mac. Finally, enable trim in the OS to maintain long-term speed and reduce write amplification. You finish by booting the system and running quick benchmarks to confirm expected throughput. This proves the SSD is functioning and helps spot configuration issues. Install crucial firmware updates to fix bugs and improve stability, and enable trim if it isn't already. Monitor drive temperature and health in the first 24 hours. If you encounter boot failure or poor speeds, receipt cables, confirm BIOS is in OSI or NVMe mode, and, if needed, revert to your backup image to retry the migration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.